on our 15th year anniversary. I feel so emotional. And Philippines is my second home, but it's not only me. It's 21 second home too, right? Kaya maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa paghintay nyo sa amin. Ang tagal namin, di ba? 10 years, pero nandito pa rin kayo. Maraming salamat sa support nyo sa amin. Talagang na-miss namin kayo. At kanina, alam na ba, sabi ni Ciel, ang lakas ng boses nila. Sabi ko, oo, ganun talaga sila dito. Kaya, lakasan nyo pa!
Okay, I don't know what you said, but thank you. I mean, it's been a long time, but how you feeling tonight, Boom? Kita, everybody! Great tonight. I hope you guys have a great time. Okay. Angie, how you feeling tonight? Promise namin kayo!
I just wanted to say thank you, my sisters.
Thank you so much, my Plectics!
You know, I was here, I performed in this stage a few months ago for Acer Day. And I was here all by myself singing I'm the best and I don't care. And I really, really miss my peers. And tonight, we're here.
I mean, it's so special to be back at Daryl's hometown together. Okay, let me say something too. Inom lang ako niyang tupik ha.
Tubig. Inom daw siya ng tubig. Ikaw, gusto mo ng tubig? Inom! Inom! Minji! Daw niya!